Welcome to our informative video series on manufacturing in Mexico. Today, we'll be answering the popular question, how many free trade agreements does Mexico have? If you're considering expanding your business to Mexico, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Mexico is renowned for its robust international trade network, and it's important to note that the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, is not the only free trade agreement Mexico has in place. In fact, Mexico has established free trade agreements with over 50 countries around the world, making it an ideal export launchpad for businesses looking to expand their global reach. These free trade agreements go beyond just North America and open up opportunities for companies to do business around the world. They provide businesses with preferential market access, reduced trade barriers, and a level playing field to compete internationally. Mexico's network of free trade agreements covers a wide range of regions and markets. From Europe to Asia, Latin America to the Middle East, these agreements facilitate seamless trade and investment flows, foster economic growth, and promote global competitiveness. The United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, which replaced the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, is undoubtedly one of the most significant trade agreements for Mexico. These agreements allow companies operating in Mexico to leverage the country's strategic location and excellent logistics infrastructure. By manufacturing in Mexico, businesses gain access to not only the vast North American market, but also to a network of global markets. Mexico's free trade agreements create a favorable business environment, making it an attractive destination for companies seeking to establish a strong manufacturing base and export their products worldwide. By tapping into Mexico's extensive network of free trade agreements, companies can effectively use Mexico as a launchpad to reach customers and markets across the globe. It enables them to expand their international footprint, diversify their customer base, and seize new growth opportunities. In summary, while the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, is a crucial trade agreement for Mexico, it is essential to recognize that Mexico has free trade agreements with over 50 countries worldwide. This vast network positions Mexico as an ideal export launchpad for companies looking to expand their business across the world. Stay tuned for more informative content on manufacturing in Mexico.